Alright, good morning. I am cooking breakfast. This is bacon. I'm cooking a bacon and egg and cheese salad, breakfast salad. I will bring you guys back once this is ready. Okay, y'all, these are my eggs. I am cooking an egg with my egg, bacon and egg sandwich. I will bring you all back. Okay, y'all, this is my breakfast sandwich. Jelly, eggs, well-done bacon, and pepper jack cheese. Ow. That's all this is. Peace.